Hello students, this is Dr. Ranjana Bhattacharjee, Principal Ramanoj Gupta DP College and a student of philosophy. Yes, I always call myself a student of philosophy. You know why? Because philosophy itself means a science of knowledge. That means we are always eager to know something. And philosophy itself is a science of knowledge, that is the love for knowledge. And that's why I always call myself a student of philosophy. Actually, philosophy, we say that philosophy is the mother of all the subjects or all the languages. Because without philosophy, you cannot go into the depth of any subject. That's why it's a very interesting subject. Actually, you can see whenever we go into the depth of any subject, even the degrees given to us are called the Master of Philosophy for MPhil and the Doctorate of Philosophy for PhD. If you do PhD in any subject, or if you do Master of Philosophy in any subject, it will be called MPhil and PhD. That is, you are doing philosophy. So, whenever we study philosophy, we actually, for our own love, for our own enjoyment of our mind, and for our own pleasure, we study philosophy. Now coming on to the topics related to the syllabus of 3 years degree course under Assam University, that is CVCS course. We find in philosophy different topics in different semesters. You can see behind me that there are logic, there are ethics, there are Indian epistemology, there are Western epistemology, there are contemporary Indian philosophy, and there are contemporary Western philosophy too. So, in each of the semesters, we get different topics of philosophy, we get different branches of philosophy to study. Suppose when you are doing logic, that means you will be able to find out the validity and invalidity of any kind of argument you are doing with another. Or you can even detect the errors. You can find the errors whenever someone is arguing with you without reasoning, then you can also detect that. And it's a most scoring paper also, because there it's very interesting. So students find interesting finding the validity and invalidity or detecting the errors, so that they can score the good marks. So this topic is very much interesting for the students, upcoming students also, who are taking philosophy as choice of one of their subject in the degree level, and they score more than 80%. And now coming on to the next topic, suppose the ethics. When we study ethics, we find a joy, because it teaches us to be moral. It teaches us not to be immoral. It teaches us to be judgmental. So for our own joy, for our own pleasure of mind, we study ethics, And it's very much related to our day-to-day life. It's very much related to our day-to-day life. Whenever we are coming on to the Indian epistemology and Indian Western epistemology, this teaches us how to know anything. There are different ways of knowing, isn't it? Because in our day-to-day life, we find that sometimes we can know anything with the help of our own reasoning, or sometimes not with the help of reasoning, but by only perceiving. Suppose through our eyes, when we see something, we can know that. So actually, there are different sources of knowledges, and actually we use all the sources every day in our life. But when we study philosophy, we get to know that. we get to know that how do we know. Actually, philosophy is related to our day-to-day life. It's very related to our everyday activities. And coming on to the contemporary Indian and Western philosophy, these are about different philosophers when we get to know about them. It may be Indian, it may be Western also. You may have heard of the name of different Indian contemporary philosophers, say for example Vivekananda, say for example Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Rishi Aravinda. So they are all our contemporary Indian philosophers, and there we will get to know about them, what they have said about our lives, our daily lives philosophy, our goal of our life. That is also the philosophy. So studying philosophy actually not only the passing the exams or not only completing the syllabus. Actually, studying philosophy is the love of our life. So I suggest everyone to take philosophy. If not as syllabus, then also I will suggest everyone to go through the philosophy, because this is the only thing that is related to our core of our life. Yes, we know that there are economics, there are political science, and these are also related to our life. Yes, but to know about political science deeply, to know about economics deeply, to know about any literature, actually you have to go to the core of that subject, and that is also philosophy. So I'll suggest study philosophy. Thank you.